Assalamu alaikum. I know I have been away for a very long time, and that's why I am back here today. Today I'm going to talk about my trip to Karachi, which was not planned at all. I had to go there because of a family emergency. It was just Monday morning, and उससे एक दिन पहले रात को मैंने अपनी फ़्लाइट कराई थी, and it was the first flight to Karachi. And it was sad times when I went there. Now they're not, alhamdulillah. But when I went there, it was 2 weeks of no snapping, no using phone. I was usually at the hospital. It was sad, very saddening. But when my family member started recovering, then I started going out with a bunch of people who I have to meet whenever I'm in Karachi. So this trip is to you guys who made it possible. So सबसे पहले I met the YouTuber in K-Town, Umar Naman Khan, and उसके अलावा I met Umar Beigh, my friend. He got married, and another friend, Ibrahim Mahmood. And my friend, my amazing friend Usama Suhail. Thank you for taking me to Zebest, and thank you for Amna Biryani. Welcome for Cafe Praha.
आ रहा है पानी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम लोग जो है वो पहले आमना बिरयानी गए थे। आमना थी ना? आमना बहुत फिट, आमना फिट नहीं थी, बिरयानी फिट थी। गंदे लोग हो तुम लोग, क्लियर कर रहे हैं। दूसरी बात ये है, आमना भी ऐसे क्या, खैर। तो दूसरी बात ये है कि हम लोग अभी आए हुए हैं कैफ़े प्राहा। सही है। ये शख्स, इसको ना खाने के बाद फ़ौरन मीठा चाहिए होता है। थैंक यू सामा, थैंक यू फॉर पेइंग हियर। थैंक यू। मैं नहीं, तुम पे कर रहे हो। कल मैं पे करूँगा, लेकिन अब मैं किसी को भेजूँगा नहीं, क्योंकि अगर लोगों को पता चल गया कि मैं कैफ़े प्राहा पे कर रहा हूँ, सारे भूखे नंगे पहुँच जाएंगे।
It was a fun trip. I also went to Buns Road.
We are at the famous Buns Kebab Road. Buns Road, not kebab. Buns Road. आज हम खाएंगे वहीद के, क्या है वहीद की बोटियाँ, टिक्के कबाब, फ्राई कबाब, yes. Since we are here, हम लोगों ने मंगवाया है फ्राई कबाब। इन्होंने बताया बहुत मशहूर है, और ये सीख बोटियाँ और रोटी है। ये हमारे अंकल हैं।
With Zuhaib भाई, आउटस्टैंडिंग, मतलब इतने मज़े के थे वो कि आई डोंट रिमेंबर चूइंग द बोटी। अच्छा, उर्दू में मुझे याद नहीं पड़ता कि मैंने बोटी को चबाया होगा। मतलब बोटियाँ मुंह में जाके घुल गईं, अपना काम खुद कर दिया, मतलब इतनी मज़े की थी। उसके अलावा देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन ट्रिप, मज़े का था। आई ऑल्सो वेंट टू ऑजी बर्गर, look out for that video. Bought a lot of clothes. मैंने इतना ज़्यादा उसको vlog नहीं किया, but yeah, you will see those up on my Instagram account. That was the trip all about. It was solo traveling back to Islamabad.
हैंड कैरी ये मेरे साथ बैग लगेज, ये हम पहने हुए हैं अभी, लेकिन हम ये उतार देंगे क्योंकि हमने बड़े फिट सी आज की जो है ना OOTD इस्त्री हो रही है। हम अपना वो दिखाएंगे लुक एयरपोर्ट पे। अपडेट, हमने जो है वो सुबह 7:15 बजे की हमारी फ़्लाइट है, और इस वक्त 5:47 हो रहे हैं, और सुबह में बहुत ज़्यादा मसले हो रहे थे रिगार्डिंग दी करीम उबर वगैरह। तो आज हमने इन ड्राइवर किया और वक्त पे पहुंच गए, तो ये ज़रा अच्छा सीन है। यस, गुड, थैंक यू। एंड नो करीम उबर, आई एम योर गोल्ड कस्टमर।
Tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing with your rules. Everything look better with a view. I could never get attached.
So I got my boarding ticket, and I asked them to give me a window seat. Now let's see if I actually get a window seat or not. And yeah, we are going to our gate now.
I start to feel unattached. Somehow I was in a feeling bad. Baby, I am not your dad. It's not all you want from me. I just want your company. Girls obvious elephant. Loves to avoid the depression. We've been here before, and I won't be your
Okay, so I have finally reached the waiting hall. My gate number is 12 and we are right here. Finally going back home after a month. Not talking here.
Walking around acting right now. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play cool. Baby, I am playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. I was in a month. Walking around acting right now. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play cool. Baby, I am playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. So when you try and figure love on the regular.
Finally we have reached Islamabad. Alhamdulillah, back to hometown. And now we have to get ourselves a Kareem and get home as soon as possible. हमने Kareem करवा दिया and now we are going to हम बाहर जा रहे हैं। Oh shit, हम बाहर जा रहे हैं और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे मैं हसन नहीं हूँ। Finally we have reached. Alhamdulillah, सामान भी आगे सब कुछ आगे, बस we have to we need to
and it was amazing. So yeah, I had a fun time there. It's always fun going to Karachi, and I'm going there again. So I hope I vlog it before I get to that place. So but ये है कि thank you Karachi, because you were my parents' city, and you will always have a very close place in my heart. And yeah, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the video, and by the end of the video I really hope you connect with me somehow, because yeah, I mean, just enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Please don't break my heart. Trust me, I've been broken before.